Good morning, guys. So today I thought I would take you around Budapest. So yeah, there's nothing really else to report. It's just going to be a pretty standard day and literally nothing to say about anything. So yeah, let's go. I think there's a man in my apartment. Hello. Say hi to the people.
Hello, everybody.
They have been conspiring
I'm back.
about where you were.
I'm back.
Back, baby.
And we are going somewhere secretive. Does no one know yet?
No one knows.
No one knows where we're going.
No one knows.
It's a secret.
I'm just going to ignore the fact that you're back now. Yeah, okay, bye. Happy to be back. Yeah. By candlelight. Coming to our favourite little place in the inner city. It's a little Italian restaurant and it's really, really nice. Didn't wear a hat. Such an idiot. These ones? Oh, no. Oh, those are nice. Large. So this is like one of the weirdest and coolest little hidden gems in Budapest. It's a Michael Jackson memorial.
Michael Jackson loves pumpkins.
All the pumpkins are still here. At Halloween, it was surrounded by jack-o'-lanterns. Oh, and all the naked people are back. Like I haven't spoken to you guys all day. We popped back and we put Miracle on 34th Street on because we really want to get into the Christmassy spirit, and that is my all-time favorite Christmas movie, like ever. It's such a good film. Oh my god. So we're gonna head out now and do a little bit of a bar crawl because I know Scott wants to go back to some of the old places. So I think we're gonna get the bus down to Fujudva, then we'll go to Simpler, and then we'll just see where the night takes us. Then we'll be in the Jewish quarter, so we might find some food then and have some dinner, but I don't know. But I'm wrapping up because it's so cold, and guess what? I just found out where we are going. It's snowing. There is snow there. The soup thickens. So we just came into Fujudva and there is literally no one here at all. Copyright music! Which one is mine? This one? So we are gonna have a couple of beers and then we're gonna go and play some arcade games. Because that's what you do when you come to Budapest and you find a ruin bar. You drink and you waste all your money on arcade games.
The vlog has been hijacked. Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing amazingly well, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas.
Okay, so something you might not know is that Scott and I have been for years obsessed with basketball machines. It ranges back to the Philippines. Is that where it really started? In Puerto Princesa, there was like a sports bar and we just played for so long on these basketball machines. So, Lego, I'm pretty good these days, she says, about to embarrass herself. First then, I need to warm my fingers up. Are you going to be able to play in that coat? Oh, I can do the sound effects really well to these machines.
The professional warming up the fingers. Do you want to get some dirt on your hands? The money's going in. Oh, she can't start the game. It's not going well. Go on, Alec. Look at the concentration.
I'm sucking at
Oh, she needs 40 to get to the next round. 8 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She did it. Yay! High five, Ali.
today. I did that to make it look really good. So this game tests your reaction. You have to smack them when they light up, but if you smack one that isn't lit up, then you lose a point. Okay, so Scott is ridiculous at this. Like, it's kind of terrifying how hard this man can punch. But I really want to give it a go.
What are you waiting for?
It's all the trolls out there. I said I couldn't make it.
Don't be scared. Just hit it. What?
3, 4, 7.
Impressed?
That's good, Ali.
Oh, that hurt.
Come on, just hit it. What are you waiting for? Come on. How long do I have to wait for you? Don't be scared. Just hit it.
Almost best score. So who would win in a fight? Clearly me. So we've just left Fuj Udvar and we're gonna head to Simpler, and it's snowing and you won't be able to tell. Can you? I don't think you can.
Look up for the light.
I'm trying. Oh, there you go. It's snowing. It started snowing. Yay. Oh, it's landed on my lens. Can you see her? Can you see her? Flailing around. Actually, there is so much snow in Birmingham because everyone has been sending me pictures all morning that if Scott had got his flight a day later, Birmingham airport's closed today. How lucky is that? Oh my God, it's going in my face. It's going right in my face.
You're like one of the wee thing is anything.
Oh, that's one tough.
Tough!
I'm not a fucking tough!
I thought you was tough from...
Seriously?
Where
Where are you from?
Birmingham.
You're from Birmingham. Are you from Birmingham?
Don't fucking laugh!
Where are you from?
Newcastle.
Newcastle.